Hello and welcome back. So in the last video, we looked at how to create accounts and deploy them using Sncast. So in this video, we are going to declare a contract and deploy it. So just to declare smart contract and deploy. So to declaring smart contract is a process of just uploading your smart contract bytecode on chain, like uploading your contract bytecode to Starknet protocol. Yeah, so that's basically to declare your contract. I think that's the summary of everything. So deployment is just to like now bind a contract address to the bytecode or contract hash. So let's get started. So to declare this contract and deploy, we are going to be making use of the last created account. Like we are going to be using the profile we created in the last video. That's using account 1. That was the name. So now I've created this mock smart contract. It's called mock because it's of no use, it's just for test purposes. Yeah, so let's we are still following the documentation. Let's get started. Sncast. Account, the account name that we just created in the last video. So it was account 1. So the command is to declare. Sorry about that. So the network, like we saw in the last video, if we do network separator, it's going to return the same error, the same RPC error. So we are going to do URL. Let me get the link from here. So I had it saved. Copy. So paste it here. And then we do the contract name, the smart contract name. Contract name is, so this is it here. Contract name is Mark. And now this. So yeah, I think it's going to first of all compile. Then after compilation, it will now declare. Also, this red warning is from ASDF. So I started seeing it after the last installations I did. So just ignore it. It still works, so I don't have to deal with it for now. Yeah, so the contract has been declared. This is your transaction hash. So this is the class hash. When you declare your contract, it returns an hash, a class hash for you. So this is the class hash that you are going to use in deploying your contract. You have to copy it and paste it somewhere. So let's class, what am I typing? Class hash is this. So we have this saved. You might as well want to check this out, check the transaction on StackScan. So if you want that, just open it up here and take a look at the transaction. As usual, we are getting this. So it will tell you that, okay, it's even giving you a description, a new class on blockchain in which contract instances can be deployed. I think these guys are really thorough with their developments. That's nice. That's nice to see. So you have everything you need here. So this is your class hash, the same thing with the one we saved here. So this is the class hash here. This is the function we called like to declare. So this is the operation we performed. So this is the address of the account one we used. All the information you need is here. Yeah, so that's it. That's that for that. Let's go back here. So now to deploy. That should be in the next. Yes, so to deploy is also quite easy. I think it's even easier. Just it's the same process. Then just Sncast pass the function the operation you want to perform is deploy. So again, we are using URL instead of passing the network sepal because of the RPC issue. So now we are going to pass the class hash. Oh, sorry, we have a hyphen. So copy it from here and paste, and that's it. Account name not passed in S. Oh, sorry, I did not pass the account name. Forgot. That's my mistake. Okay, so account is account 1. So let's try this again. Yeah, it has deployed. So this is your contract on Etherscan. Let's check out the contract. Let's check this out. Transaction, I think it's still indexing. Invoke function, deployed contract. So this is our contract address. Okay, yeah, it's the same. You can see that it matches. This is it here, and then this is it here. So this is our contract address deployed. If you click on this, yeah, so you can look at the contract we deployed. So you'll see it here on Starknet. You can check out the code. No read functions, no write functions. So it's just a mock contract that I created. There's nothing inside it. That's why we are getting all this. Yeah, so don't be surprised. It's just a mock contract. So yeah, so that's basically it. You see that it's very simple, very simple and easy to create an account and deploy contract using Sncast. So in this video we are going to see how to invoke, how to call deployed contract, already deployed contract, how to call them and pass your argument. That has also been one of the issues that people complained about. So it's difficult to encode byte array when you want to interact with your contract on Starknet. It's very difficult to encode byte array. I've been able to do that. I've been able to do it once or twice. So, but then after I've tried many things, I couldn't do it again. After wasting my time for some time, I decided to abandon it and then started using Sncast. And since then, I haven't had any issues. So that's what I'm going to do in the next video. I'm going to do it live so you see how the thing works and how to pass your arguments and everything. Very easy and simple. So till then, have a wonderful day.